So we have software installed, and I am going to visit my server, SSH user at, and it's 152.42.183.171, and I can get in with no password. I don't like that. It shouldn't be asking me that again. I must have got the number wrong. 152.42.1.8. Yes, that's the wrong number. 183. Good. So, okay, and all of my software is in place here. And now what I want to do is run that Python. I want to run that Python program from, I want to run it from nginx. And we do that using a thing called uwsgi. Okay, so I've got some files to help me do that. So I've got some configuration. This is a configuration file for uwsgi, and this is the configuration file for nginx. And I'm going to copy those into place. So, but let me just check them first. So the editor I use is VI. You can use Nano. So Nano works fine, but it annoys me. And so it's IoT nginx. That's the first one I want to do. IoT.nginx. Okay, so I've got a server name and I've got that. So the server name, okay, I should explain. I have created for you all, I've created DNS entries for each of these. So this thing here, that should get you, so that name there, if we type that in, if I do that, .sqlzoo.net. So I've created a DNS entry for sqlzoo.net for each of the servers. So that gets me to, okay, so that gets me to students' nginx server. And the one that I'm going to use is Andrew, no, not Andrew Cumming, it's teacher. Okay, so teacher, and that should get me to the nginx default page. So I need to change this configuration here. The server is not Andrew Cumming. The server is teacher. So teacher. Not only that, but it's also going to use this WSGI business. All right, so I've got to come out of this, Control X, and save yes, Y for yes. And I'm going to copy that, sudo copy IoT nginx to /set nginx sites enabled, and that should do it. So I'm copying that to there. And the other one I want to do, I'm going to use VI this time, but you can use Nano. That is iot.ini. Okay, that's harder to read. Let's just check if the details are here. We want to change directory not to Andrew, but to change word user. And it's IMU IoT, same as before. This one also, the Python path is Andrew, as user, not Andrew. The other stuff I think will be fine. So I'm going to do ZZ to quit that. And I've got to copy that to the uwsgi folder, but that doesn't exist because I haven't created it yet. So sudo apt install, and it is uwsgi. So yes. So uwsgi is installed now, and I should be able to copy that, sudo iot.ini, no, copy iot.ini, and that goes to /set uwsgi apps enabled, and that's it. Okay. Right, I have to restart. So I'm going to restart two things. Sudo system control, and I want to restart nginx. That seemed to work okay. I'm also going to restart uwsgi. Okay, with both those things done, I should be able to reload this. And I get a bad gateway. Fair enough. Let's see what's gone wrong. That means that nginx is working, but it's uwsgi that's not working. Let's find out what's wrong. So I'm going to do tail -f /var/log/uw apps and IoT log. So look at that. And I can't see it because I don't have permission. So let's give myself permission. Sudo chmod go plus read of /var/uwsgi. No, var log uwsgi and app and that. Okay, so that's given me permission. Now I should be able to see what's going on. Okay, that's not good. So it's not running. It's not working. So Control C to quit that. I want to see the whole thing. So instead of tail, let's cat. See if we can see what the errors are. Okay, this is all looking good. All good, all good, all good. Your server socket is this. Okay. The requested plugin is not working. Okay, let's install the plugin. Okay, so I need apt install Python 3 uwsgi. Oh, and it's there. Apt get install build essential Python. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't want any of them. How to install? Not pip. DigitalOcean unlike. Looking for the line. I remember this line. Wow, that's a lot of stuff. No, no, no. Don't want to do any of those things. Don't want to do that. No, I know what the command is. I just can't remember it. It's something like sudo apt install. So it is. Let me search again. Apt install uwsgi plugin. These long, complicated instructions. There's a simple way to do it. There's a one-liner. Oh, that's the one there. Okay, Google came through. That's what I want to do. That's the apt install that will work, I think. Apt install uwsgi minus plugin minus Python 3. And yes. Okay, let's restart uwsgi. I'm going up. Okay, restart WSGI. And let's look at the logs. Still unable to start it. Okay, let's cat that thing. See if we can find the error. I think I know what it is. No module flask. That's bad. Okay, so it has got flask. Okay, let's restart stuff. touch/tmp/iot.touchme. That should restart the thing. And I'm also going to do tail -f of /var/log/uwsgi app IoT. Okay, again, it's saying no module. One of the things that might be a problem, ls-ld /home/user. Let's see what that is. Okay, so there's no read access. So this says that the permission on my main folder, it won't be able to get to it. So let's change that. So sudo chmod geo plus x should be enough of /home/user. Okay, and let's try restarting. No, that's not restarted it. Let's do system ctl restart uwsgi, and I need to sudo that. Doesn't seem to have restarted. Maybe it has. What's the date? 28. Yeah, maybe it has. Let's reload. Oh, lovely. It's working. Maybe it was working before. Excellent. So now we have, now we can visit this, and this server is running. It's nice and robust. If you log out, it'll still be running. Okay, so that's the important thing. When it runs out, it'll still be running. And let's do one more thing. And let's put it on HTTPS. Actually, no, we won't. Save that for another time. Okay, but we could be able to do HTTPS from now on. All right, but I'll tell you how to do that another time if we decide to go that far.